Hi viewers, in this video we will discuss skincare and beauty of skin. Turmeric is known for its potential skin benefits thanks to its active compound curcumin. Some of the reported skin benefits of turmeric include 1. Anti-inflammatory. Turmeric can help reduce redness and inflammation, making it useful for conditions like acne and eczema. 2. Antioxidant. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant that may protect the skin from free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging. 3. Brightening. Turmeric can help improve the complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. 4. Wound healing. It has been used traditionally to promote the healing of minor cuts and wounds. 5. Acne treatment. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties may be helpful in treating and preventing acne breakouts. If you are new, subscribe my channel. It's important to note that while turmeric can be beneficial for many people, it may not be suitable for everyone. Some individuals may be sensitive or allergic to it, and using it directly on the skin can sometimes cause irritation. It's a good idea to do a patch test and consult with a dermatologist before incorporating turmeric into your skincare routine. Additionally, using skincare products containing turmeric can be a gentler way to enjoy its benefits without the risk of irritation.